Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. So Orlani actually posted this video of his wife guys looking all cute with her ring. Because listen, when a woman is just married, all she wants to do is show off that bling bling. And his next story, he actually said a prayerful woman is someone who regularly turns to God in prayer and has a caring spirit. That's my wife. Guys. Yes, abantu when they like emathandweni, like they brag about every small thing. And listen, it's worth the brag. Having a prayerful woman, guys, is not something that you should underestimate. A woman that can pray for you, a woman that can that can cover her home, her marriage in prayer, a woman that knows that when things get tough and when things seem like they're hectic, she knows how to cook and get on. Now the thing is, at least that Uvuyo guys, she's got experience of kind of being a wife, because he puts people's children through a lot and they behave like someone's wife. So you know what, I honestly don't doubt for a second that, you know what, when he's talking about a caring spirit, she does seem like she does have a caring spirit. But anyway, chef, guys, any opportunity he has to celebrate his wife, he will do that. And listen, we love it for him. He must celebrate his wife. They are young, guys. But anyway, tell me what you guys think about this. You guys, he looks happy, you guys. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys on the next one.